It's 2026, so if you're still spending time calling cold leads who aren't interested and you're spending time writing descriptions, you're losing a lot of time and money. Right now, a robot is doing 50% of the work while I talk to you. Do you want to know how to make more money while doing less? Here are 3 ways to use AI in 2026 to make your business grow. Most real estate agents are tired. You're working 60 hours a week, you're chasing people who are not ready to buy or ready to sell. You try to go post on social media, but you don't know what to post, and it takes you too long to post. You don't know what hashtags to use or what platform is going to grow your business. You feel lost, you feel stuck, and nothing feels organized. The world will change this year. In 2026, the hustle is dead. If you keep doing things the old way, you will be replaced by a real estate agent who does use AI. It's not about being a tech genius. It's about not being a slave to your inbox or to your phone or to all the things that do not help grow your business. I've spent the last 3 years helping hundreds of agents go from feeling burnt out to big deals. I built a system in 2026 that uses the best tools and AI tools for real estate agents that help close deals. And we here at Real Estate DigiPro have helped hundreds of agents to implement these systems into their business so that they close sales every single month. So how do we do it? In the old days, you would do farming, right? You would send mailers, postcards to people in a neighborhood where you wanted to work. That's now a waste of money. What you can use now is what's called predictive analytics. AI can now look at searches and behavior to determine who's having a baby, who just passed the bar exam and is going to become an attorney, who is searching for moving boxes. One of my agent friends, Rhonda, was spending about $1,000 every single month to send mailers to the neighborhoods that she was farming. We decided to switch to a system where we could use AI to pull lists of potential motivated sellers based on a number of criteria, and it would tell us the people most likely to list their home. So she went from sending hundreds and hundreds of mailers to focusing only on 20 homes in the neighborhoods she was farming, to continuously work them until they were ready to sell, but more importantly, working their networks as well. So whether they were ready to sell then or later or knew someone like them ready to sell, she would get that deal. And it's very smart because if you're going after higher priced homes, you break into higher priced networks. By using this method, she was saving thousands of dollars over the course of a few months. And while she did close 2 deals, it's a newer system, so I have no doubt that in 2026 that these deals will ramp up to be even more. You also can't be up all night, which is where AI comes into play because it can. So in 2026, you need to look at AI voice agents. When a lead clicks on a link or submits a form of interest at 2 a.m. in the morning because they're scrolling, an AI agent can actually send them an SMS, a messenger message, or call them. And when that interaction is happening, that AI agent can either speak to them, message them, answer questions about the market, answer questions about the school, or neighborhoods that may interest them the most. And as a licensed realtor, you know you can't talk about schools, but guess who can? And it won't just message or have a conversation. You can have the AI agent go book meetings, send automatic emails, heck, even go do a social post about, hey, I had this conversation with such and such tonight at 2 a.m. And guess what? All of this runs while you sleep. The third thing for 2026 you should stop doing is doing anything that has to do with editing photos or writing anything. You can go take a photo of an ugly room and in return get a beautiful room with correct lighting and color grading that has furniture in the perfect places that fits the appeal of your potential buyer. And you can also turn it into a video if you want. AI can do all of this now going into 2026 at a level that I think is shareable. But before 2026, I was skeptical. I didn't think it got there yet, but now I think it's completely advisable to start using it. You also don't need to write anymore. You just go into AI and say, make this sound like a cozy home for a family of 4, and it will spit out the description for the MLS, for your Meta post, and for your TikTok that's also SEO friendly. Using all of this gives you multiple systems run by AI on automation that you have to maybe go in and tweak or manage from time to time, but it saves you hundreds and hundreds of hours while growing your business. Now imagine waking up tomorrow. You don't have 50 calls to make, you don't have 50 emails to send, your AI agents have taken care of that while you were asleep. You get your cup of coffee, you do some deep work for 4 hours, planning what your strategies are going to be for the month, and you look at your calendar and all you have are the appointments with interested people looking to buy or sell who are actively ready and in the market. You aren't a data clerk anymore. You are a high-level negotiator. Spend time on high-leverage things that grow your business while getting your weekends back, getting your family time back, and focus on the things you enjoy doing. That is the power of AI in 2026. So I want to help you get started. I want you to comment robot below in the comments, and I'll send you the 3 best AI tools for 2026 that you can implement and start using today.